Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Friday. My name is Kat. I have your astrological forecast for today, August the 20th, and tomorrow, August the 21st. Before we chat about what's going on energetically, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity and darkness flowing out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. We see it filling our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good. And then it's going out and we see it forming a protective bubble around us. This bubble is made up of white light, love, and the will to good, and it is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We are going to say our affirmation together, and we're going to stay in this space of white light for 5 seconds. Let's say it now. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Great way to start off our Friday. If you've been watching the daily videos, it has been a productive week as long as we keep our focus on the task at hand. Today, productivity continues. We've got the moon in Aquarius, and we also have these 2 nice trines today. We have actually today and tomorrow. Today we have Mercury in Virgo trine Uranus and Taurus, and then tomorrow we have Mars in Virgo trine Uranus and Taurus. So this continues the great energy of the week of not only being productive, but today, well, and yesterday too, and well, actually the whole week, because Venus went into Libra on Tuesday. So since then, we have had this incredible energy to work together in groups. Today, that is supported with these wonderful trines. Today, the discussions are going to be about actually something right up a lot of our alleys, bringing in new ideas, new ways to do things, innovative ways to become more productive and efficient. All of these new ideas are going to be entertained today as long as we stay objective and we allow for input of everyone at the table, no matter, the goofy guy at the end of the table. Oh my God. Oh, how could he possibly offer? I mean, oh my gosh. Hey, we gotta listen to everyone. Everyone's got something to contribute. Not to say that the end product is gonna include everyone's perspective, but their perspective will be honored and acknowledged today. Big, but however, this is a trine energy. It's not like the Mercury conjunct Mars in Virgo from the last couple of days, where these 2 energies are, boom, let's get it done. No, This is a trine, very soft and easy. And it's one of those energies where the opportunity is there to work together. The opportunity is there to come up with great new innovative ideas. But there's nothing like forcing it. So we're going to have to take the initiative, since we consciously are aware that the energy is available today for compromise and consensus and resolution. We might be the one that has to initiate. As long as we remain objective and don't get too critical and don't get too righteous and don't, have too many expectations of ourselves and others. That's when that Virgo energy goes a little bit off kilter there. So it's a great day. And you know what? At the end of the day today, if we get our work done, we're going to feel that teamwork with our coworkers or our family or whoever it is that we're working with today to resolve some issues. We're going to feel satisfied. And man, we might just have to go out at the end of the day and have that beer and just celebrate all the good work together we did today. So it is great for that. We have the moon in Aquarius. We're able to express. Remember, yesterday we've got Uranus retrograde. It's retrograde today, so we are learning to bring out our true, authentic selves. And tomorrow, when Sunday, when the sun goes into the sun goes into Virgo. I talked about that we are the conduit for spiritual energy to manifest on the physical plane. And the way that it works the best is if we are expressing our true authentic self. Then we can really create those unique qualities that we have that we can contribute to the whole. But we have to be our true authentic self. If that energy is coming through some stuff with masks and unresolved emotions, and you can see how it gets all screwed up, and by the time it comes out, it's not anything of what we imagined it when we put it in. When we put in our order, it's coming out completely different. So remember that today, and enjoy working together. Really, really embrace that energy, because that is the energy of the Aquarian age. Working together, creating something together that is greater than any of us could have created on our own. So that is our keynote for today and tomorrow. Also, we do have that Aquarian energy. It's a great couple of days when we go have that beer. You might want to try someplace new and different, something off the beaten path. Maybe somebody told us about what do they call those beers? Maybe somebody told us about some craft beer place, a new craft beer place, and we might want to check that out. Just doing something a little different, because we do like to, that Iranian energy does like new and different things. Also, since the moon is in Aquarius, we might get some unexpected events. Something happens suddenly. Hopefully, what happens suddenly is a breakthrough that we get when we're trying to work with the group. That would be pretty awesome, huh? So anyway, here we go. What does the universe have to say for today and tomorrow? Owl Spirit. We can see clearly now. When we embrace our true authentic self, when we work with the group, we can begin to see, and when we come from objectivity and not from our ego and not from our personality, but from that stance of how can we help a solution, how can we help the whole group come to solution, come to resolution. When we come from that perspective, we begin to see things very much more clearly than when we come from, okay, I've got this idea. I want everyone to buy into my idea. It's the only good idea at the table. No, that's not what this energy is about. Okay. Elephant spirit, learn from the past. We have Uranus and Taurus today. So today, when we're working with the group, coming up with a solution or resolution or consensus building, take what we have learned to date. What have we learned from the past? What can we leave intact? What has worked? What's efficient? And what needs to be updated? What needs to be innovated? So when we're working with the group today, we're taking our past experiences, the wisdom and the learning from those past experiences, and we're including those when we work to come up with a solution today. And cow spirit, miracles are endless when we work together for the greater good. Miracles just start popping out all over. So that is the message that Spirit has to say. We work together. We work together for the good of everyone, and we stay out of just focusing on our personal interests, our personal agenda. The breakthrough, the miracles are gonna be amazing, amazing. So remember that today and tomorrow. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages there. If you haven't checked out the Sun in Virgo monthly forecast, that is out, as well as the retrograde season, all about the planetary retrogrades. That came out yesterday at noon, and tomorrow on Sunday at 6 a.m. The 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Virgo will be out as well. And I am also going to put together a video on Uranus retrograde. So see that within the next week. That should be out. I'll keep you updated on that. Have a great weekend. Come see me on Sunday for your weekly astrological forecast, and especially focusing on the Sun in Virgo. Have a great weekend. Enjoy those beers with your friend tonight. Tonight, because we got our work done, and we got it done well. Take care. Life is lived. Oh, almost forgot. Life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.